Welcome to Arty Crafty Alchemy. Today I am sharing with you the new sStudio craft stall reject shop collection called Bows and Bells. I'm the Arty Crafty Alchemist. Let's get started. I have the sStudio and the reject shop craft stall version here. I thought I had the paper pad. I'm sure I do. I just don't know where I put it. As you can see, the contents are pretty much the same. I just think Rosie's packaging is a lot nicer, and I think there is a slight colour variation when you get the Rosie's and the craft stall, which leads me to believe that all the reject shop stuff is printed here, whereas these may be printed in New Zealand. No, made in China. Both made in China. I ordered this collection from Rosie's while I was still in the UK. They had a 30% off sale, so I took advantage of it to order a bunch of things, and I got, I think, almost the whole Bows and Bells collection. We'll have a look at the paper pad first. The beautiful poinsettia paper, another beautiful burgundy floral, wipey paint stripy type piece. Peace, family, joy, bells, love, gather together, bright, celebrate, greetings. Lots of words, scripty words. Stripes, stars, beautiful gold foiled leaves on this poinsettia page. Then we have lollies or candies, depending on where you're from. This is pink and green irregular dots on navy. Christmas trees with the word joy. Houses, wood grain, a pink taupe coloured plaid type page, more stripes, bows. It kind of looks like animal fur with snow over the top of it. If we turn this up this way, it looks like buildings. I guess it's a paint swipe, more stars, some leaves and berries, diamond pattern with the gold foil, and we are back to the start. Next, there is the die cuts. About the Rosie's ones. They are definitely slightly different colour, but it's not too noticeable. As always, there is two of everything. I'm not really going to pull them apart. We have a giant Christmas and the Christmas trees. The most wonderful time of the year. Champagne glasses. Merry postage stamp. Jingle Bells postage stamp. Dear Santa letter. Stockings. Lots of different stockings. A snowflake. Lolly. Good tidings balloon. May your holiday sparkle with joy and happiness. Season's greetings, special occasion, keep this ticket. Fa la 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 la, a lollipop. Tree, a very pretty wreath. Be filled with joy tag. Merry Christmas. Bells, 24. Dear candy cane, another lolly, another candy cane. Bows, wishing you a Merry Christmas mason jar. Snowflake, bauble. Books, The Polar Express, Letters from Father Christmas, A Christmas Carol with a T on top. Oh So Blessed, Special Delivery, December to Remember, Celebrating Together, Surprise, Houses, some tiny stars, more bows, Christmas tree, leaves, and all these inner bits pop out. More leaves, more stars, some poinsettias in different sizes, some more different leaves, some more deer, some labels to stamp on, some banners. Oh, my joy got a little squished, but that's alright. Straighten them back out again when we tape them down. They say joy, ornaments, presents, ornaments, spells, holiday wishes, more houses, merry, fa la 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 la, gold lollies, New Year, December to remember, and some snowflakes. So that has 120 pieces. I have bought a lot of this collection, so we got a lot to get through. Next is the Bows and Bells tag kit. First there is some twine, 5 meters of twine. 24 tags, Christmas trees, special delivery, baubles, filled with joy, stripes, bow, love, joy on an ornament, and then just a round ornament that you stamp in the middle. House that says gather, a mason jar with lollies in it, and a snow globe shape. There's 12 large ones, and then we get, I'm guessing, 12 small ones. Joy, love, peace, ho ho ho, be joyful, blessings, believe, merry everything, Merry Christmas, warm wishes, season's greetings, let it snow, wonderful, handmade with love. This stamp set isn't actually part of the Bows and Bells collection. Wishing you sending are the large words, and then there's love, joy, peace and joy are amazing. All the luck in the world. Big, a speedy recovery. All the best. Kisses, laughter, and every happiness. You, a lifetime of hugs, special things in life, a smile, a very happy birthday, rainbow strength, luck, much together, happiness, lots of XO, positive vibes, best day ever, and sunshine. Thought the wishing would come in handy possibly for Christmas cards. I have the Bows and Bells chipboard embellishments, Merry and Bright, Christmas, and you have outside frame, the gold frame, and another itty bitty frame with a bit of pink and gold on it if you wish to use it, and the snowflake in the middle. Holidays, banner, celebrating happiness, corners, a tape measure, blessings from our house to yours. And to see these last couple, I need to slide it down a bit. Sharing and the little banner. December 25th, mason jar, all is bright, another little flag. Joy, love, peace, stars, hedgehog, family, gather together, and a train. And I have the actual Bows and Bells stamp set. And this one has wonderful, love, joy. Time of the year, holiday, may you be surrounded by, may your holidays be. Sending you to the world, wishing you lots of, may you and your loved ones find everything this holiday season, the most blessings, ampersand, have yourself a New Year, Christmas, blessed with, wishing you a. And we have the little snowflake down there as well, and the bow. There is another stamp set that is available on the website that I didn't grab. That is called Bows and Bells Tags. There are also these dies that I didn't see at the time. And there are a few other elements I didn't get as well. Next I have the Bows and Bells foil statement sticker pad. I think I'd missed a lot of things. I think they've restocked since the sale. Some nice big stickers, holiday hugs, comfort, and a bow. Oh what fun, Noel, joy, love, peace, may your spirits be bright, naughty or nice, love from the North Pole, jingle all the way, 25, some stars, fa la la la, season's greeting, and love. Then there is an envelope present, happy holidays, another hedgehog for someone special, snow globe, blessings, bird, we've got some lights, dove, candy, presents, trees, car, houses, lots and lots of different things. Then we have lots of holiday wishes, peace, love, joy banners, sparkle and shine banners, a bunch of Merry Christmases in different colours, and joy to the world circles. And this is a page full of lots of words, shine, thankful and blessed, being together is the best gift of all, dear Santa, jingle all the way, naughty or nice, meet you underneath the mistletoe, it's Christmas all over the world, special delivery, do not open until Christmas, it's the season to be jolly, making spirits bright, and then we've got some washi type border strips, warm wishes, joy, have yourself a Merry Christmas, sparkle all the way, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, best gift ever, holly jolly, all the jingle ladies, I love holiday hugs, and banner. And that is it for the Bows and Bells sticker pad. Next I have floral die cuts. There's some leaves, some poinsettias, some very pretty watercolory type flowers, some more leaves, weird flower thing. I don't know about that one. I'm thrown by a loop for that one. Berry, a leaf, another flower, some leaves, and some more leaves, and another one of those weird flowery things, another watercolory flower, flower with hearts, it has hearts as well, another berry and another berry, and then we have some of those flowers that you can pop those insides out to make skeleton flowers, another couple of flowers, some poinsettias, some more berries, so you've got 3 with foil and 3 without, some more leaves, cluster of berries, some more flowers, leaves, leaves, flowers, more vine leaf things. These all pop it out, so it will be bare in the middle. There's only one of each of these, another flower and some poinsettias, and there are 50 pieces in that. So basically it's just another set of die cuts, and I just checked and I could not see any vellum die cuts this time. And then lastly, I think my favourite thing that they have done for this collection is made these cute little shaker stickers. They are domed and have little gold things that shake about nicely, and we have 'tis a season to sparkle, merry and bright, oh so blessed, joy, and then we have the houses and the Christmas tree and piggybacked so you can stick them straight onto your project. Okay, hopefully I can edit this down to a lot faster video because now I'm going to make a bunch of cards and we can see what we can do with this collection. I forgot one item, joy, love, peace, and warm wishes Merry Christmas. I'm not sure if there's any more under there. Let's have a look. Season's greetings, joy, love, peace, and then we are back to warm wishes again. And it's always a 2-pack, so then you get the washi that is the floral version. And I don't usually buy the washi, but I just love those too, and so I had to get them. Okay, now it's time to work out what I'm making. The first card, I'm using the tag pack, my Kodamaru corner rounder, the die cuts, and of course the trusty tape. The sentiment has 1 layer of foam tape. This bauble has 2 layers of foam tape. There's the first card done. It just needs possibly some bling. For this card I have the grey scripty background, 2 presents, the pink Christmas tree tag because I wanted a big Christmas tree. Then I have one of the little stars for atop my Christmas tree. And that way I also get to cover up the hole. And then from the sticker book, I'm grabbing the red Jingle All the Way. And that's card number 2 done. For card number 3, I have this beautiful ombre paper. In the floral pack, there is these 3 pieces. Neither of these have anything in the centre. The only one that does is this one, so I assume you're meant to layer them up. And what I've been doing is folding the middle and giving them a bit of a pinch so that they have some dimension, and then folding up those pieces. And I'm just going to layer them all together. And there we have a poinsettia with a little bit of dimension, and we have a flyby kittying. I folded these leaves back in on themselves because the stem was too big. Just going to grab a sliver of tape to hold that down and get it on there. So I'm just going to peel the backing off the leaf, place this into the corner, and work out where my other one is going. I'll stick that one down there. And now from the chipboard pieces, I'm grabbing the word family and sneaking that down there. And that is card number 3. For the next card, I have the wood grain. Then I am sticking on 2 strips of gold. Going to grab some scissors and cut off the excess. This is a tag that I've cut down, and then I have this square that I cut with a lawn fawn nesting square. I think it's from the small set. I'm going to add touches of glue around the edge of one of the shaker pieces just to make sure it holds, and then place that on there. And there we have a shaker card. Oh no, I forgot something. I forgot my little ribbon. It was supposed to have a ribbon under there, but it's too late. For the next card, I have some more strips, more hot air balloons. This time the card is sideways. And again, I have gold strips. These ones are a little thicker this time. Don't know how I managed it, but I cut them slightly 2 different sizes. This time from the sticker book, I'm grabbing Jingle All the Way. Just going to hold that there for a second. I should cut these bits off. The flowers and leaves are from the flower die cut pack. And again, I've used the 2 layers of tape, 1 layer of tape, and regular tape on that to add dimension. Next, I have this spotty background, lolly jar, and then I've got this tag that I'm adding. And I'm not fussed on the thickness of the twine for these, so I'm probably going to grab a little bit of ribbon to add on to this later. Next, I have this tree paper. I'm adding one of the pine trees, and I'm going to add the buck, then the doe, and then special delivery, and this is a nice flat card or easy mailing, and all of those pieces came out of the die cut pack. trim off the excess. I'm going to take this washi and add it to the bottom, and then I'm going to burnish that down. Next I have the poinsettia with a million bits of tape on the back. Oh, sorry, I just realised I'm out of screen. I hope I'm not out of screen for all of them. Probably am. My apologies. From the stamp set, I'm grabbing Love and my archival ink. And then I'm going to grab May You Be Surrounded By, and again the archival ink, and slide that right in there. And that is the next card done. 2 more to go. I am running very late. I'm getting picked up in a couple of minutes and I'm not even ready yet. I'm supposed to take these cards with me, so I'm trying my hardest. Again, chopping off the excess. Then I am grabbing another piece of chipboard if I can find it. Grabbing the Merry and Bright chipboard to stick in the centre of that. And there's another quick easy card done. And for my final card, I'm adding my leftover house strip to the bottom, then the piece of gold, and then I am sticking on my stockings. And then I have the word Christmas. Loads of tape on the back. I did have Merry on here, but I don't know where it's gone. I've lost the little piece. So I have a little burgundy Merry that is going to go there, but that is my last card. So just a little recap. We have the baubles with Joy and Peace, the Christmas tree Jingle All the Way, Joy, Merry and Bright. We have the stockings, May You Be Surrounded By Love, Special Delivery. Again, I've used the offcut for that one. This piece I cut in half, so we have a shaker card, and we have the balloon Jingle All the Way. And then the last card is Family, which needs a few gems. Let me know below what your favourite card was. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to see more content like this, and hit the bell notification to know when new videos come out. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye for now. Just a quick add-on. I wasn't 100% happy with a couple of the cards. So for this one, I moved the family up and added the Celebrating Together banner. And then for this one, I just added the little holiday wishes down the bottom. And then I also made a couple of other cards. I used the layering poinsettia from the flowers add-ons, as well as a couple of the flowers and leaves from the die cuts and the extra flowers. Borders are the floral washi tape. And then this is a sticker from the sticker book, and I'm not sure which stamp set I got that from. I can't remember now, it was a couple of days ago. Got a memory like a sieve. And then I also made this card. Again, these are the 2 washi tapes. I absolutely love the colours of them. It's very pretty. And we have the skinny one at the top, the fat one at the bottom. And then I've used lots of the die cuts. Some have foam tape to give dimension. And this is the little chipboard star from the chipboard pack. They are altered and extra couple of cards I made with that kit. I have this gorgeous giant poinsettia from Hero Arts, and I've just coloured it in with Copics and threw some Wink of Stella over the top. And then I used a new die set I got. These are the sStudio Fishtail banner dies 1 and 2, and I used that to cut the fishtail at the bottom. The stamp I used, which I just had, this is Hello Bluebird Old Oak, and I've wanted a wood grain stamp forever, so that is what stamps in the background with Antique Linen Distress ink. And again, I've used another one of the little stickers up the top. And then this one doesn't use the collection. This is just that stamp again, all coloured, ready to go. I made a few mistakes when I was trying to add the blue-green around the outside. It kept pulling the colour out. So I have added all these spots to kind of hide the fact that there's lots of mistakes, and it draws the eyes into the flower a bit more. And I have to be really looking to realise where I made lots of mistakes pulling the colour out with the colourless blender and the blue-greens when I was doing the outline. If you stayed to the end, I hope you enjoyed these little added extras. Let me know below what your favourite card is, and I'll see you later. Bye!